Hi, I'm Phillip Griot. I'm here to answer a question we get all the time. Do we specialize? The answer to that is no, we don't. We don't specialize because we believe that limits our clients and ourselves. Here at Griot Motors, we anchor ourselves in our passion, and that drives our decision making on what we work on and who we work with. All of our clients have a wide range of interests, and it spans from Ferrari F40s to Volkswagen Rabbits or a pre-war Bugatti. Each of these cars provide a unique challenge to our staff, and the experience that our staff has grows with each completed project. The most important part is that our clients enjoy the process in restoration and sales with Griot Motors. And if they're having fun, we are having fun. So if you have a collectible car or a classic car, Griot Motors is the home for that.